Dialogue 1.
Hello, I'm Jessica. What is your name?
Hi, Jessica. I'm Michael. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Michael. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. How about you?
I'm from England. What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I work as a nurse. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing basketball and cooking. How about you?
I love painting and hiking in my free time.
Dialogue 2.
Hi, my name is Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Germany. What do you do for a living?
I'm a lawyer. How about you?
I work as a journalist. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing the piano and traveling. How about you?
I love photography and reading books in my free time.
Dialogue 3.
Hello, I'm Ryan. What's your name?
Hi, Ryan. I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. How about you?
I'm from Brazil. What do you do for a living?
I'm a student. How about you?
I work as a software engineer. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing video games and playing the guitar. How about you?
I love swimming and watching movies in my free time.
Dialogue 4.
Hi, my name is Sophia. What's your name?
Hi, Sophia. I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. Where are you from?
I'm from France. How about you?
I'm from Spain. What do you do for a living?
I'm a doctor. How about you?
I work as a teacher. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing soccer and painting. How about you?
I love dancing and playing the piano in my free time.
Dialogue 5.
Hello, I'm Olivia. What is your name?
Hi, Olivia. I'm Benjamin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Benjamin. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. How about you?
I'm from South Korea. What do you do for a living?
I'm a photographer. How about you?
I work as a graphic designer. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy hiking and playing video games. How about you?
I love cooking and practicing yoga in my free time.